How to set up a stop limit order on Binance. In order to do it, open your Binance mobile application and here select the trades option in the bottom. Once done, you will be landed on this support page where the first thing that you need to do is to select that particular crypto pair in which you want to basically set your stop limit order. For that, tap on this drop down menu and over here you can select the pair in USDT. Let's say you want to select this particular coin over here, which is Chromia. After selecting it, you just have to tap on the drop down menu and here you will be able to see the third option of stop limit. Now once you try to select the option, it will say what is a stop limit. So a stop limit order is an order that has both a stop price and a limit price. When the stop price is reached, it triggers the limit price. So over here you need to select the stop price in the USDT. After selecting the stop price, you just have to provide the limit price. Then you just have to enter the amount of the coin that you want to purchase over here. You can even use the slider in order to select some percentage from your wallet so that it could automatically take it and show you over here. After that, tap on the buy option and once you tap on buy, you can see your order in the open orders section, and when the stop order triggers, your limit order will work, and this is how you can set up a stop limit order on Binance. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.